Hi guys, today is Tuesday and it's time for phonics. You'll need a piece of paper today and a pencil. Once you have that material, go ahead and write your name on your paper so we know whose work it is. Today, our letter is T. Everyone say T. The letter T says the t, t sound. Say it with me. T, t, t. Some things that start with the letter T are tooth and table. Some other things are tacos, tickle, and tuna. So now we're going to go ahead and write the letter T. When you write the letter T, the poem you say is straight down, across. Straight down, across. Straight down, across. Try it with me. Straight down, across. Straight down, across. So you're going to practice writing the letter T. And then also, you're going to see if you can figure out this clue of something that starts with the letter T, the t, t sound. I'm thinking of an animal that lives in the jungle. This animal is orange and has stripes. Can you think of that animal that starts with the letter T? Go ahead and draw me a picture. Make sure your picture has colors that make sense and have lots of details.